Welcome again. Now we are talking about anatomy of brain. As we know, brain is a very important part of our body. It's control our activity and our life. Brain is also called encephalons and is divided by three parts: there's prosencephalons, or we can say forebrain, mesencephalons, or we can say midbrain, and the last is rhombocephalons, or we can say hindbrain. Prosencephalons consists of two parts that's called telencephalons and diencephalons. Telencephalons is the biggest part of cerebrums and have 85% of the weight of cerebrums. And during the development of the telencephalons, the development of the cilia and gyri occurs. In addition, the cerebral cortex begins to emerge, creating a boundary to the telencephalons. And there's where the rhombocephalons consists of two parts. Yeah, that's a pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. Now we're talking about telencephalon, where telencephalons consists of four lobes, whereas the frontal lobes, temporal lobes, occipital lobes, and the red one is parietal lobes. Frontal lobes, whereas there is a promotor area and motory area that function for muscle movement, memory, and planning. And parietal lobe, this function is for processing the sensory information and touch sensation. We can also know about occipital lobes. That function is process the visual information from retina. So we got light, and the light is processed and transferred in the brain from occipital lobes. And the last is temporal lobes, whereas this is the place of limbic system, including amygdala and hippocampus, and the function is to set sensory input and auditory perception, language, and memory. Now about diencephalons. This consists of thalamus, where to send the sensory impulse between bone marrow and medulla oblongata, and also consists of hypothalamus that maintain the homeostasis of our body. And the mechanism of hormone is controlled by hypothalamus too. Now we are talking about mesencephalon. Mesencephalons consists of three parts. First is tatum, whereas this is surrounded by superior colliculi and inferior colliculi. And the second is cementum, whereas this consists of three fibers by the way. There's a red nucleus, gray periodicell, and substantia nigra. And the last is pedunculus cerebri, whereas this is the main pathway to send signal from body to the central nervous system. So this is the part of mesencephalons. Now go to rhombocephalons, the last part. Rhombocephalons consists of three parts. There is a metacephalon and myelencephalons. As we know, metacephalons consists of pons and cerebellum, where there's a nerve in metacephalons that we can see that's trigeminal, abducens facial, and vestibulocochlear. And also in myelencephalons there's a nerve that we can say glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessories, and hypoglossus. There's in myelencephalons there is consists of medulla oblongata. Thank you.